And this is how the egg pan gets cleaned. Look at that. Happy New Year, everybody. Look. Oh my God. I mean, who needs a dishwasher? Get a couple of dogs. Oh, now she's going to get the spoon. You want that? No, that's not enough on there. Rebel has to put his foot in it. There's the babies this morning. Clover says, man, I can't get my head in there. And Clover's so funny because she doesn't like the pieces of the white egg. Kids, let Clover get her. Rebel, get your feet out. Clover doesn't like the white. She only likes the yellow. Oh my gosh. Sending love and hugs, everybody. Say bye. There's the spoon. Ooh, that's good. Man, they're going to get every last little piece out of there. He's so crazy. Say bye. Little Sugar Plum finally came up for air. So let me go over here to this side.